Okay, hey guys. So I've been facing some problems on my Himalayan. I don't know if the audio is quite audible to you all, but there's some vibration noise that's coming out from here. Yeah. So I've already started, as you all can see. I've removed the windshield. Yeah, by removing this 1, 2, and on the other side as well. So now I'll just take off this 1, 2, 3, and I'll get back to you all. Okay, so we have removed the instrument cluster and we have disconnected the connectors. Now we will try and open this and figure out what's creating the noise. Okay, so we have fixed this. There's no vibration. I've just checked. So we will just connect it over here and mount it, and I'll show you all. Okay, so here we go. Our problem is solved. As you can see, it is also working fine. I'll do the speed test in the evenings. Yeah, so that's it. And also there is no more sound that's coming. No more vibrations. The windshield is also in place. Yeah, thank you.